Hello and welcome to Open Everyone. I'm Rina Valentin, your host of Café con Leche, always inviting you to get social with us. That is online. Tweet us and follow us on Instagram at Bronxnet TV or like us on Facebook at Open Bronxnet Television. And of course, don't forget while you're there, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, FB, Snapchat, Insta Stories, LinkedIn at Rina Valentin. So this year, the Kingsbridge Road Merchants Association, in conjunction with Mas Productions, Councilman Fernando Cabrera, and Montchelou Preservation Corporation, will celebrate the 5th annual Unity in the Community Festival. And the celebration is put together to honor the people of the community and its businesses. So this year, the theme focuses on the youth in the community. And joining us to share more, we welcome Vice President of Kingsbridge Road Merchants Association, Christian Ramos, and artist Miguel y Jonku. No Donku, Jonku. Wait there. Hello and welcome.
Good morning,
Good morning, gentlemen. He's like the poster child. He's really proud of his festival.
Definitely, yes.
Well, congratulations, Christian.
Yes, this is our fifth Unity and Community Festival. As feel motivated always every year for the support for everybody who support this event. Also our artists, and I'm here.
Well, you know, the beauty of it is like you guys are already making noise in an area that's going to become extremely popular, right? Because it's right where the Armory is.
Yes.
And the Armory is being renovated to be like one of the largest ice skating rinks here in New York, right?
Exactly. This area is changing a lot, and that's why we, as a business owner, we would like to improve the area. We try to support our community too and give it back something once a year or twice a year, something back to our community. Everything is not about a business only, it's about our community, our artists. We have talents in our community, so why not to do some type of festivals to show up in the stage how we can have artists in the front, show how we talents we have our community.
No, I recognize her.
Yes, definitely. You're gonna be in the host. Yes,
And of course, with Eric Nieves, no, my pleasure, my pleasure. I too enjoy highlighting artists and showcasing artists, so especially upcoming artists. And Eric Nieves, he's a wonderful comedian. He's going to be co-hosting with me. And then, of course, we have these fabulous artists here. I'm going to put you on the spot, but let's get to know you first. So, who's Miguel?
I'm Miguel.
And you're Jonku.
Jonku.
Okay, so, and you guys are a duet.
A duo, yeah.
A duo.
That's correct.
Right, not duet, that would be the style, right? of singing. Okay, so, Mr. Duo, let's talk about your names.
Our names. Well, I'm Miguel.
I know, with two L's.
With two L's, yeah.
And you're Jonku. So what's the deal with the double L and the Jonku?
We wanted to change it up for trademark purposes because, you know, there's a Miguel who's an artist, so we just added an L to differentiate. And pretty much, John Q can explain.
And John Q is because my parents named me Guido with a Q, so my name is John, so I put the John Q just to give a little flavor, you know.
Yeah, I know, I feel
I'm
you.
not big very much.
He's like, I said this to give a little flavor, I'm feeling you. So, style of singing, genre?
Merengue, bachata, reggae, pop,
Trap.
salsa.
So what are we going to get a taste of on Saturday?
A bit of everything.
A little bit of
Bachata,
everything?
merengue.
We mix everything into
Reggae.
like a show track, and it's a variety of music so that people can enjoy all types, you know? We
Yeah.
don't just try to limit ourselves.
So you're fusing it together?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So can you do like a quick acapella for me?
Go ahead, John Q.
Yeah? Let me see, go for it.
Do Baby I'm Yours.
Yeah, yeah.
Baby I'm yours if you want me. Loving you forever if you need me. Baby, I'm yours if you want me. Loving you forever if you need me.
Okay.
That's our community talents. I think
Bravo, let's give it up for them. I just put you on the spot. And yes, that's what unity in the community is all about. Thank you for that. I'm like, you just made my morning. I'm like, okay, I'll be there. No problem.
we like to add our artists. We're gonna have some temps, merchants participant in this area. We are more than 200 merchants, local businesses owners, so they want to be part of this event. From Uris, barbershops, restaurant, they're gonna contribute. They're gonna donate the food for our artists. In the back of the stage, we're gonna have some 2-3 tents that give our restaurant. So that's why we see as a leadership and a part of the being the front of the merchant is put everybody together. I think it's business owner and community gotta be one piece and one block.
So how many merchants are you expecting, and how many tables are people going to be able to visit?
By this point, we already have like 35, 40 tents. We talk about more than 50 tables, and I hope that we can start by 12 o'clock, everything set up by time.
And it's a family affair, so there's going to be family activities as well, such as?
Definitely, we're going to have a bouncy house for the children, painted faces. We're going to have the clowns. We're going to have a magic guy who's going to do some stuff for the babies, for the children. Because we finish the school, so we would like to bring the families to bring the children and enjoy the moment. Also, we're going to have the securities and the Precinct 52. We are appreciated for the support. Community Board 7, 8, we appreciate all the support they're giving to us, for this event.
Is the NYPD Explorers going to be there?
Definitely, we're going to have some particular moment. It's very, very sad what happened. We need a little couple of minutes or 1 minute silence, for that happen because
the reason I asked about the Explorers is because I've hosted so many festivals and it's always my pleasure to see these young individuals like just have contribute to the community in a way, almost like with a decisiveness of knowing that they're there to serve. And of course, everybody's heart is broken over what's occurred. And so while we will be honoring Junior, I just wondered if that group of individuals would be there as well. I mean, how do you guys feel, like, even in being part of this unity in the community? That's such a key word.
I mean, that's something that has to be addressed. I mean, as a youth growing up in the Bronx, we're cousins, so we grew up, born and raised in the Bronx, and, we've seen a lot of things, nothing of this, extremity, but the youth out there, they need to be guided, and, this program, as far as the Explorers, is a good thing because it allows the children to, interact with police and actually see what it's about, And we need that now in the community because, with everything going on, there's a lack in the communication between the community and the police, I feel, And something has to be done. Something definitely has to be done about that.
Right, and also putting events together like this where we can all come together and we can all be together, different age brackets, different nationalities, different cultures, right? Because I know we're going to have some belly dancing. There's going to be some hip hop. There's going to be, I think, some dances, right? I know Steve Seda is like a well-known salsa dancer, right? And then you have some other dancers. I don't know who Dancers
there's
Dreams
a Dominican
are.
group, and you see even that we have in this Kimberly, Foreign Road, we have a big Mexican community. Why not? We're gonna bring the Central America, Guatemala. This guy came from Nicaragua. So those are people who wanna put it together. There's a big community, not only Dominicans. We have a Mexican, we got Ecuadorian like me, So we like to put everybody together. It's a big community. That's one of the reason I still am working in Kingsbridge Road, because this area is a popular and big area.
Beautiful. And of course, it's going to be an afternoon, a sweaty afternoon, I might add, because from what I understand, it's going to be like 99 degrees.
Yes. One of the reasons we put in June, because that's the time in the middle of the year that put everybody out and enjoy the moment. Everything's hot.
Okay, well, maybe next year you should do it in May. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, thank you guys for being here. I'm going to see you all tomorrow. Thank you for allowing me to put you on the spot. And most importantly, it's really, we need this. We need to just come together and just shed light and love into our space. So thank you. Thank you for being here. All right, you guys, once again, the 5th Annual Unity in the Community Festival is taking place on Saturday. That's mañana, tomorrow, June 30th at Reservoir Avenue between West Kingsbridge Road and West 195th Street in front of the Armory, right? The future home of the National Ice Skating Center. And that's going to be happening from 12 noon to 6 p.m. And for more information, you can visit mossproductionsny.com.